Hello and welcome to this new short session called TripAdvisor for Newbies. And no worries, it will take the time for a coffee. Let's imagine you want to spend a long weekend in Barcelona since you've never been there. The first thing that anyone would do would be to Google it. Alright? Alright, great. I see some very great pictures here. And yeah, definitely, Barcelona is confirmed. And I guess now that the first questions that pop into your mind are, where shall we sleep? What shall we do? Where to eat? There is one website that can help us to find all the answers we need. It is called TripAdvisor. Developed with a simple purpose to help travelers to find everything they need and plan and enjoy every single trip. Let's see how it works. First of all, just type the word TripAdvisor on your browser. Click on it, and here we go. And as we said, the first thing is to find accommodation. Right here from the home page, we can search for a place to stay. Let's type Barcelona here. And check-in date, as well as the checkout date, and find hotels. Now, you can filter the results according to your wishes. If you want to be at the heart of the city, click on distance. So the first hotel you would see is the closest to the city center. All right. So click on the one that seems defined for you and you will find all the information you need. For example, you will find the contact details, you will find a lot of pictures, and you will find hundreds and hundreds of reviews from real customers, right? All of this will help you to pick up the best solution for you. Once we found where to stay, let's decide what to do. Surely Barcelona has a huge offer, but we only have 3 days, remember? And we need a little planning here. Easier said than done. Simply click on things to do. Now it's all up to you. You might go for the top destinations as, for example, La Sagrada Familia, and because this is definitely a must-see. As you can see, it's considered the #1 thing to do in Barcelona. Once again, a huge amount of information like contact details, reviews, advice, and prices, for example, if you want to skip the queue. Or, let's go back, what about some nightlife? Again, all information you need is here. And you can do the same thing with restaurants, flights, and anything you need on your trip. Let's now close this short session with a very simple question. Why shall I use TripAdvisor? Well, first of all, it's free, it's easy to use, it's made from real travelers, it's constantly updated, and it has all you need in one single place. So, thanks a lot for your attention and have a nice trip.